Good day, students. My name is Mebrim Chibike, your electrical installation teacher. The topic for today is motor starter 1. At the end of this class, you are expected to be able to mention the methods of starting a 3-phase induction motor and to be able to explain the methods of starting a 3-phase induction motor. And lastly, you should be able to sketch the diagram of these 3 methods. For a 3-phase motor to start, the rotor must rotate at a synchronous speed to produce flux that will be caught by the rotor conductor in order to form a rotor field. The difference between the rotating field and the rotor is termed the slip speed, which is less than synchronous speed by 1.5% or 4%, which slip speed rotation of a motor cannot start. The major 3 types of starting we have is 1, direct online method. 2 is star delta method. And lastly, the auto transformer method. I want to describe or explain to us in detail the star delta starting method. This method of starting a 3-phase motor uses double switches connected to the motor winding to limit the starting current. A star switching position connects 2 windings in series to limit the current and allow speed to build up. The supply voltage is applied across each winding. 6 connections are taken from the motor winding in this type of starting. Here we can see the diagram of both the star connection and the delta connection. Next, we talk about the direct online method. The direct online method is a type of starting used for small motors due to direct application of voltage across the motor winding. When the start button of direct online starter is pushed, the coil is energized, causing 4 sets of contacts to take place. 3 contacts supply 3 phases to the motor, while the 4th one shuts out the start button. Remote control is also used when a stop button is connected in series with the coil. Secondly or thirdly is the auto transformer. The auto transformer is a type of starter connected in the motor circuit to reduce starting current by decreasing the voltage applied across the motor winding. The taps on the auto transformer limits the voltage applied to the motor to 50, 65, or even 80% of the normal voltage. An auto transformer starter is suitable for both star and delta connections. As you've noticed in this class, I only gave you a picture of the star delta method of starting. So your assignment will be to draw the basic circuit diagrams of both the direct online starter and auto transformer starter. You can see that in your textbook, that is the electrical installation theory and practical textbook, page 178 of it. Do try and do this assignment, as it will help you a lot to understand these three basic types or methods of starting a motor. Thank you and remain blessed. Do stay safe.
Great and glorious and powerful, hearken to the prayers of your children.